On today's video, I want to show you how to get $200 for free, and you can withdraw this. You can withdraw this without depositing, guys. So all you have to do, you just have to watch this video until the end. I'll show you step by step because there is a catch, right? But you have to watch this video until the end. I'll show you how to get that for free and how to take advantage of this website. Let's get it. The name of the website is CoinDepot, right? CoinDepot. The link will be in the description. So before I show you how to get that free money, so I want to show you this, but I want to show you how to take advantage of this website. So as you can see right here, and from 12% to 24% APR plus compound interest daily. That's crazy on crypto and stable coins. So as you can see right here, right, this site, like at the time of recording this video, I do not know any other website where you can get this type of interest, right? So check out for stable coins, right? USDT 18% daily, weekly 18.5, monthly 20%, 21%, 22%, and annually is 24%. Even your banks, the bank can't even give you this type of interest. Ain't nowhere, like there's no bank that can give you 24% annually, even like 18% daily. That is crazy. And even if you can check cryptocurrencies, check BTC 12%, 12.5, 14%, 15%, 16%, 18%, guys. 18%, yes, they drop there, but there's still good interest, guys. There's still good interest. Even if you can check right here, as I said, the banks, I'm from South Africa. Even from South Africa, ain't no bank in South Africa that can give you this type of interest, but there ain't no way, there ain't no bank that can give you this type of interest. And these are some of the international banks, right? So guys, let me show you how to how to get this free money. So here we are, guys. Here we are, 100 welcome bonuses plus more bonuses for new and existing clients, right? So as you can see right here, right, so they said they are giving away this money and you like this. So as I said, like this for new, right? So let's say you are new, right? Like me, I'm new to this platform. So what to do, right? So you can see right here in the 5 bonus for completing registration. So you just have to register, get 25, and then verify your identity for 25 again. That's going to be 50, and 50 to get that other 50 to make it 100. You just have to deposit at least $100 or more, right? At least $100 or more to get this amount of money, guys. And this will last up until March 25, March 2025. So guys, make sure you do this right away, guys. Make sure you do this right away. And they say like there's a free sale, but they're going to launch a token 60% off right now. So make sure if you want to invest in crypto, you can check it out, their coin. And guys, I'm not a financial advisor. Make sure you always do your own research before you invest in crypto, before you use this type of this website. Like, make sure you do your own research before you do anything with your money.